What is going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. Now, I hope as y'all can tell, your boy got some more lighting. We got some light bulbs, so maybe you can see me better and I don't look like a shadow. But got a package from a company that I have kind of procrastinated ordering from. But yeah, if you haven't noticed, I'm kind of sort of a procrastinator. But I finally got everything situated where I could order this. Now, this is from MGW. Hell, it failed. And like I said, it's something I've been wanting to order for a long time. And it's the start of... hold on. Okay. It's the start of my interior modifications. Okay, just the receipt. Sorry, I had to check and make sure the camera's off. But let's get this out of the way. And well, that's it. So, if you cannot tell, I bought a shift knob, and this is the interior boots. And okay, so what would this be? Looking like some instructions. Let's see here. Yeah, it's just some instructions. I will read that later. And what is this here? I really do like the way they did their packaging, and I will show y'all in just a second as soon as I get all these out. Come on. Okay. These washer options. Okay. Now, the way they did it was they literally put what it was on the baggie, and they even supply you with the Allen wrench. So far I am really pleased with the packaging of my product here. Like I said, if you don't know what this is, then you aren't a true car person. Now, the piece de resistance. This is what like I said, this is the start of my modifications, and this is the shift knob. It is the anodized blue with the Punisher Skull Ghost 6-speed pattern. Now, honestly, obviously I don't have my stock shifter in my hand. I'll do that later. It's got some weight to it. It's got a little bit of weight to it. This is all, like I said, this is all aluminum. I'm going to show y'all the Punisher Skull. So that is the Punisher Skull. I have a big fixation with the Punisher Skulls, and I cannot wait to put this on my car. I am really excited, and like I said, this is just the start of many interior modifications that I have to do to my car. Now I'm going to end this portion of the video, and I will catch y'all, well, for y'all it'd be like 5 seconds. For me, I will catch y'all in the morning, well, tomorrow, because right now it's currently 8 o'clock at night and I really don't feel like going out to my car and swapping around the shifter. So I will catch y'all in a second. So this is the old shift knob. Ugly. Oop. And that's the new one. Now, there is a little bit of a weight difference, but I mean, I think it feels pretty good. So let's go ahead and finish this on up. So I'm going to sit y'all about right
there for a second. Let me get... Oh, wrong thing. Hold on. I'll learn one of these days. Alright. Now, if you have an 11 to 14 with the stock shifter and stuff, you have to get this little grommet. And I'm pretty sure, yep, it goes just like that. On shift knob, and let's go ahead and throw this bad boy on. Come on. Where are you gonna go? Jesus Christ, how long is this thread? Okay, it's on there. Now I have to use the Allen key. So once again, I'm going to set y'all pretty much right there. Now there is a set screw on the back, which I showed y'all the other day, and I'm going to tighten it up. I'm just hoping I did this right. And there it is. Alright, let me turn this here. I'm first tightening it up. Trying to find the hole. Ha! Gay! Alright, I'll finish that in a second. But there is the new shifter. Shift knob. Feels different. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to tighten that up. It feels different. But I mean, I like it. It's different. It kind of sets it off. So once again, that is the new MGW shift knob that I have. And like I said, I like it though. It feels good. It's got a nice little texture to it. And there's a big difference between my old shift knob. This has all the weight up here, as opposed to this has all this right here. Oh, ha! Gay! Sorry. All the weight right here, all the weight on this shifter is like all over. It's not just at the top. Like if you just kind of notice, it just kind of like all the weight on this is at the top, as opposed to this one being all over. And like I said, it feels really good. I mean, I know it's not it's not a short throw, but it feels good. And as you can tell, it's got the Punisher logo on it. You know, reverse, first, second. You know, if you have a 6-speed, you already know. But like I said, sorry I mentioned. Like I said, that's the new one. It looks a lot better than this. I mean, first off, just look at the difference of it. Ooh, gotta, like, it's, oh wait, let me turn this the right way. Just look at the difference. It feels amazing. Like I said, as you can tell, I did the pink for breast cancer awareness. So, but that is it. I'm going to finish tightening this up, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow.